What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a really great move that will help you get out of a sticky situation. Like when you're in the corner and you don't know which way to go, this move will really help you. All right, now first thing you want to do is roll the ball towards you. Okay, make sure you roll the ball towards you. Number two, when you're rolling the ball towards you, make sure it hits your weak foot. Okay, roll the ball with your strong foot and make sure it hits your weak foot. Once you roll the ball and hit your weak foot, this is number three, you roll it, weak foot, and then once you roll it, pop the ball up, okay? But when you're popping it up, make sure you do it at the same time when you put your strong foot down, okay? Let me show you what I mean, all right? When you're rolling it, see how my strong foot went to the ground as soon as this one came up? Yeah, make sure you do that, okay? Once you do that, all right, that was number three. The fourth one, this is where it really gets the player, okay? All right, once you do that, you got to do this really quick though before the ball goes on the ground. After you pop it up, make sure you do this real quick for this trick to work, okay? Once you pop it up, you want to spin, heel the ball over you. See if the player is behind you. You try to make space, pop the ball up and then you heel it and it's gonna go over. You either run towards the ball after that or a player is gonna be there to get the ball. Let me show you what I mean, okay? You gotta do the turn really quick, all right? Let me try to get this first try. See that? That was not great. Let me try this again and I'm gonna perfect it this time, okay? So turn real quick and then heel it. While the ball is in the air, heel it, bam, and it's gonna go over you. All right, let me show you what I mean. See how the ball went over me? It could go to a player, you can chase the ball, whatever you want, and just make sure the other players don't get it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys are liking my tutorials, leave a comment, like the video, subscribe, share, whatever you want. As always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.